Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are dealing with hormones in animals. First, how are such chemicals or hormonal means of information transmission used in animals? See, already we have gone through the tran- chemical coordination in plants, in which auxins, gibberellin, cytokinin, all these hormones are working for growth, elongation, and concentration of them is depend for the sake of light absorption, bending towards light or staying away from the lights, or ripening of the fruits, cell division, development of inflorescence. All such things are happening. Okay, so similar way the animals also having some kind of hormones which is responsible for different functions. So what do some animals, for instance, as an example we are just putting this, squirrel experience when they are in a scary situation. See, their bodies have to prepare for either fighting or running away. Both are very complicated activities that are that will use a great deal of energy in controlled ways. See, if a squirrel want to fight or it want to run away, in both the situation, these are, we can say, complicated or critical conditions. But for both the things, that squirrel require the energy, as well as along with the coordination it need to be happen in a controlled manner. It need to happen. Many different tissue types will be used and their activities integrated together in these actions. See, for this activity, many of the controlled conditions or different tissues are involved for this action. However, the two alternate activities, fighting or running, are also quite different. So, here is a situation in which some common preparations can be usefully made in the body. See, firstly, our body need to prepare for either one condition. It may be for the fight or it may be for the runaway. These preparations should ideally make it easier to do either activity in the near future. How would this be achieved? See, if this is happening in our body, it may be runaway, it may be fighting. Both the complicated situation need to happen. For that reason, before that, our body need to prepare for the condition. If the body design in the squirrel relied only on electrical impulses via nerve cells, the range of tissues instructed to prepare for the coming activity would be limited. See, if the squirrel is completely depend on the chemical impulse at that time, it will be in a limited manner. On the other hand, if a chemical signal were to be sent as well, it would reach all cells of the body and provide the wide ranging changes needed. See, if it need to happen in the squirrel's body means the changes required, particularly some changes required. Okay, see here, this is done in many animals, including human beings, using a hormone called adrenaline that is secreted from the adrenal gland. See, we can say these hormones are also called as fight or flight hormones in the humans or the animals. See, fight or flight hormones means, we can say, it is one of the critical or phobic condition. During this, some hormones are released from adrenal gland, which is located above our kidney. We can say it is one of the kidney cap. Okay, in both the sides, right and left, from both the sides, From both the sides, the adrenaline and noradrenaline hormones are going to release, that only known as fight or flight hormones. See, adrenaline is secreted directly into the blood and carried to different parts of the body. The target organs or the specific tissues on which it acts include the heart. As a result, the heart beats faster, resulting in supply of more oxygen to our muscles. See, here what is going to happen? Suppose if we are imagining during the dark, if we are imagining the ghost, at that time our body is going to give us goosebumps. Okay, our body is going to give us goosebumps. So, how these goosebumps appear on our body? First thing, due to the condition, phobic condition, okay, due to phobia of ghost, we have developed this, and the hormones is releasing from the adrenaline gland.